Hey you, welcome to my video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of website builders and SEO. You want a stunning website that ranks high in search results, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll unveil the top website builders that excel in both design and SEO, empowering you to create a website that shines online. Before we dive into the options, let's quickly understand why SEO matters. It's essentially the magic ingredient that helps search engines like Google understand your website and show it to the right audience, increasing your visibility and traffic. Now, let's explore the top contenders. This powerful combo offers unmatched design flexibility with the Divi theme, while leveraging the SEO friendliness of WordPress. You get drag-and-drop editing, customizable layouts, and tons of SEO-focused features like meta descriptions and title tags. WordPress's native editor, Gutenberg, has come a long way. While offering a user-friendly interface, it also provides basic SEO functionalities like optimizing titles and headings. However, for advanced SEO needs, you might need additional plugins. This popular WordPress plugin takes your website building experience to the next level. Elementor offers powerful design tools alongside built-in SEO features like schema markup and image optimization. It's a great option for those seeking a balance between design and SEO. If you're building an online store, Shopify stands out. It's specifically designed for e-commerce, offering built-in SEO features like product descriptions, category optimization, and integration with marketing tools. This makes it easier to get your products discovered online. Known for its user-friendly interface and extensive template library, Wix also offers a suite of SEO tools. You can edit meta descriptions, customize URLs, and even access their SEO whiz for guidance on optimizing your website. While not strictly a website builder, Hostinger provides affordable hosting with SEO-friendly features like fast loading speeds and free SSL certificates. This is a great option for those who want more control and flexibility over their website. So there you have it. These top website builders offer a powerful combination of design freedom and SEO optimization. Remember, the best option for you depends on your unique needs and technical comfort level. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more website building tips.